Hey guys, not much over here today. I have a 1978 Lakewood K223 sparkle sticker. We have screw holes yet. This thing used to have a dimmer in it. There's the back. It's not perfect. In fact, this fan might have a tendency to overheat. I've had many issues with this fan. Took out the dimmer and right now it has an aerial speed control in it, which isn't in there very well. But I mean, the arrow points to the right speed. Here's low. I've had many issues with this fan. One day I was just running it on high, and it overheated. Luckily, I guess it just had a thermal cutout, opposed to just like a complete fuse blowing or something. It might have a short in the motor for all I know. I don't know, but it works right now at least. I'm not planning to daily use it. If I do, I'll do many tests on it first. So maybe I'll run it just supervised. Who knows? Anyway, medium. I was quite interested in. Medium blows a lot of air. And here's high. And off. And yeah, Kmart K223. No rust on the sides, unlike this P223. It's like that kind of coppery, blackish tag. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.